550399, Major Service, Philippine Constabulary. Enlisted Private, RF, and a BAP, 2nd District and Post Commander Tabia, for devoting his life in the service of God and country, and who, during his post-war years, continued to render unselfish assistance to his fellow veterans and community. We salute his valor, integrity, and dedication to the service of his fellow men. To his heroic deeds, we will carry on. Given this 14th day of September 2013 at Pabia Veterans Cemetery. Signed, Captain Nilo M. Tesoro, Regional Vice President.